In this video, I'm going to show you how to take all your money out of Fidelity Retirement. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have cash on your Fidelity account in order to actually transfer it. So in other words, if your Fidelity Retirement account has a cash balance or money market fund, you can withdraw directly without selling anything. However, if everything is in stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, or any other securities, then yes, you are going to need to sell your assets first to convert them to cash before withdrawing. So it is incredibly important that you do this, and you can do everything within the Fidelity platform itself. And in addition to that, the type of retirement account also does play a factor. So obviously when it comes to Roth IRAs, there are specific type of rules and penalties and stuff like that. And of course, it is going to be different if you have something like a 401k. So guys, what I recommend that you guys do first and foremost is to go ahead and contact the customer service and let them know what account you're using and stuff like that. If you're transferring a huge amount of money, I certainly do think it is worth actually doing this process with a Fidelity employee as well. But nonetheless, if you already have cash on hand and you're ready to make your transfer, then let's go ahead and do it. So you want to go to the top menu, select over here to where it says transfer. Then you want to press over here where it says other transfer options. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And then in this section, it is going to say transfer to or from Fidelity. So what you're able to do is you're able to go ahead and send money from your Fidelity account to your bank account, or you could transfer it to someone else's Fidelity account. You can bank wire to a Fidelity account or from Fidelity, etc. So let's say, for example, you wanted to bank wire from your Fidelity account to your personal bank account. You will need to go ahead and select on this. You need to select on the account you want to send a wire from. So all of your retirement accounts are going to appear right over here. So you need to go ahead and select on it. And then over here is where you need to enter in your bank wires. So you need to specify whether it is your bank or if it's someone else's. Then you need to enter the routing number, the account number, and you will need to re-enter the account number. Make sure that these two match up. And then you need to go ahead and enter your transfer details from here. Then you're able to press on continue. There is a limit of $1 million. All right, now keep in mind, if you're sending a huge transaction, Fidelity is going to call you to confirm your wire instructions before sending the money. So it is 1000% important that you actually talk to people from Fidelity when you're doing this, especially when you're dealing with a large amount of money. But that is how you would go ahead and get to it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.